Is me, Upendra Sapkota, and today I'm going to tell you about some um, auth user null error while making a middleware and checking some operation. And after that, auth user always return null. Let's see. I have this developer, and when I try to log in, it shows error. Why it shows error? And I try to check it, and I have one middleware, that's admin middleware. I have made here middleware. Then when I try, I have here operation. Here is if user is not auth user, and if auth user caller access ID is null, then user should return to the login page, and otherwise it should go to the next process what the user want. What the user wants. So let's see. When I try to this, and I try to check my user details here in middleware. Let's see. It's always shows null. Why this showing in Laravel 8? It is because of that Laravel 8 didn't have a features that when in Laravel 5.6, Laravel 6, and Laravel 7, we we used to make a route file, different route file, which is going to under the route folder, and at that route file by default the web route will be access for a route group will be for each and every file we make under the router folder. But now it's there is no web by default, so we have to put web. Why we have to put this web? Because web middleware is Laravel by default middleware where the authentication user everything will be checked. So let's see now. And when I try this web and I try to run and solve the problem and I get the user. Another thing is that after this solve, I've solved this. And another thing is when I try to make um, when I try to do this, and when I pass my this after this I'm logging. So I try to log out this, and when I try to log out this, my middleware shows that local redirect too many times. Why this happen? This is because of the I have made a middleware group and my admin middleware class, which middleware I have made admin middleware. This middleware class is under the middleware groups class. So this is not the place where we will put the middleware group. So I will comment this. This is the place. Instead of middleware group, when we made a router, when we made a middleware, we have to include our class in every route middleware. So I have included my class here, admin, and which is under the app HTTP middleware admin class. It is over here, and here the admin will check auth user. If auth user is not null, and if auth user have access ID, then it will go to the next. If these two things are not in a auth user, then it will redirect to the auth login. Let's see. I have already comment out my problem. Yes, friend, this is solved. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel. In my daily work, in my